Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play 99 Nights in the Forest by yourself full guide. Start by creating a calm play area, charge your device, and disable distractions before launching the game. Pick a difficulty that fits your comfort, then follow core survival priorities. Find water, build shelter, and make fire. Keep a simple checklist for each night to track resources and threats, and adjust tactics as you learn enemy patterns and safe routes. In this video, I will explain how to play 99 Nights in the Forest by yourself full guide. Focus on simple routines. Each day scout for water, food, and crafting materials. Use short trips to stockpile essentials and return to a defensible shelter before nightfall. Practice crafting essential tools early and upgrade quietly to avoid attracting large groups. Learn enemy behavior to plan safe paths, and conserve resources by repairing items instead of crafting new ones too often. In this video, I will explain how to play 99 Nights in the Forest by yourself full guide. Quick recommendation. If you enjoy planning, consider the book shown here, Dollar Banknote: The Simple Path to Wealth, for fresh thinking about resources and long-term goals. If this guide is useful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful walkthroughs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to play 99 Nights in the Forest by yourself full guide. Adopt hit-and-run tactics against stronger foes and avoid unnecessary fights that drain resources. Favor stealth approaches, use terrain to funnel enemies, and set traps near choke points for safer engagements. When you must fight, keep distance, use ranged attacks or companions, and retreat early to heal. Build a routine for gear maintenance, and gradually push farther as confidence and supplies grow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.